Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can turn your image into a cinematic motion graphic on CapCut PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my CapCut PC application, and first of all, I'm going to add my image I have imported to CapCut to the CapCut timeline or track right here. And then I'm going to add cinematic video as well. You can download this kind of video guys. You can get it from the internet. You just need to search for cinematic sky, and then I'm going to add this video to my timeline as well. And then we can extend the duration of the image according to the video duration. Okay, and then I'm going to apply mask to this video. Okay, we can go to the mask menu and then select the split mask. Okay, select the split mask and then we can adjust the position. I'm just going to adjust the feather to blend my video with the photo. Okay, you can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with how it looks. And to make it natural guys, you can apply blend mode as well. You can go to the basic and then you're going to go to the blend and then you can choose the blend mode. Wait, you can find the best blend mode for your video. Okay, let's try the hard light. Okay, I'm gonna go with this hard light. Okay, and this is the final result. I'm going to play it guys. Okay, and if you want to export it, you can click on export and the video will be saved to your device. Okay guys, and that's all the way to turn the image into a cinematic motion graphic. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.